Supreme Leader!
Ah, Nadal!
We are just months away from refining weapons-grade uranium, and we are set to test the missile next week.
It is too round on the top. It needs to be pointy. Round is not scary. Pointy is scary. This will put a smile on the faces of the enemy. They will think that it is a huge robot's dildo flying towards them.
No, Supreme Leader, the shape of the missile top has nothing to do with aerodynamics. It is about the payload delivery.
No, it sticks in the ground and then kaboom.
Supreme Leader, I think perhaps some of your information about bombs is coming from cartoons.
Nonsense. They were research films. And in them, the victims of the bomb would get very sooty faces, and then a see-through version of themselves started rising up towards heaven while playing a harp.
In this film, just one question, was there a duck who, when the explosion happens, his bill goes around the back of his head, and then in order to talk, he has to put it back this way?
There was somebody who suffered a deformity like that, yeah.
Okay. I am now 100% sure that you are watching cartoons.
Have you spoken to the experts about this? Have you consulted Professor Bobai?
Who?
Professor Bobai, the one with the incredibly strong forearms that are missized for his body.
The man you are discussing is called Popeye.
Bobai?
He is not a professor. Popeye is, as the song tells us, a sailor man.
Indulge me. For 1 second, pretend that I'm an idiot.
Okay, I'm there.
And explain to me how this bomb will not land in Israel and then literally bounce right back and blow up Wadia.
Supreme Leader, let me explain to you.
You've lost me.
This is the missile in Wadia. You push the button. Boop. Israel. No! Why? Nuclear winter.
The reality is,
Believe me, sir, if I could make the device even a little more pointy, I would, but I simply cannot.